Alright, so we're here at Ozark Iron Gym and we're doing weigh-ins and gear check. So I'm gonna go in and do that. I'm not gonna have Robert film it or anything, but we got Joe over here with Rigel. Robert's behind the camera.
Boom. Boom. What's up with this cutie? You gonna hit a PR today, bro? You excited?
Yeah, I am excited, and they are doing another meet today, non-tested, and so we're gonna watch a little bit of it and try and get some feel for what things will look like tomorrow.
Nice, let's do it.
Alright guys, today is the day. We are in the car. Rigel's back there. Robert's in front of the vehicle. We are getting ready to head out. I have a cup of coffee with, there's like an electrolyte, like chocolate electrolyte mix in there, some cream. And then I have down here, I've got some eggs, 4 pieces of bacon. And yeah, I'm like full of all of the nerves. I'm so nervous. But it's gonna be great. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I really think like once I get my first lift done and out of the way, seeing the judge, listening to the cues, like all that kind of stuff, I'm gonna feel a lot better. So I'm ready to just like get in and get it done. We have a competitor meeting at 8 o'clock. We have 40 minutes to get there. It takes us about 35 minutes to get there. And yeah, we're gonna go. What do you think, Robert?
I think Crystal's gonna kill it. I'm super proud of her. She's gonna have a blast and it's gonna be amazing. I'm super excited to be on the other end. She's normally supporting me through all the endeavors as she is with the prep. So I'm excited to be here to support her. And Rigel and I are gonna be her biggest cheerleaders.
All right, here we go. I knew there was a chance I'd be first because I chose like a really low opener, but sure enough, that's what I did myself.
Crystal's about to kill this lift. Y'all watch this.
All right, it is 9 o'clock, so we're gonna go ahead and get kicked off. Our opening attempt is gonna start with Crystal Sykes for a state record attempt. Bar is loaded. Let's get behind Crystal here, opening up at 209.4 pounds.
Good squat, good squat.
Walk out, let's go. Did a great job there listening for those judges' commands. 3 white lights, that's a good lift. That's a good squat. Judges say 3 white lights. That is a good second attempt. All right, Crystal, your bar is loaded. You got this. Let's go. Come on, Crystal, you got it. Head up. Very good try there. Very good try.
All right, guys. So we just finished squats. I got my first 2 lifts, which was awesome. My last one, we went a little bit above my comfort zone, and I didn't end up getting it. I'll get it next time. I was a little bit bummed with myself, but we're back and ready to rock and roll. I got another lift. We're doing bench next. I had a little bit of keto break in between, had half of my pre-workout. I can go through my pre-workout with you guys in a little bit and kind of show you what I'm doing, but I got about 5 minutes, so I'm supposed to be doing my first round of bench, and yeah, ready to rock and roll and do this bench. Kill it.
All right, Crystal, your bar is loaded. We've got 132.3 on the bar. State record attempt. Come on, Crystal, your bar's loaded. You got this. 165.3 on the bar. Let's go. Start. Press. Way to grind that one out. 2-1. That's all you need. That is a good state record. All right, Babette, you're needed on the platform. I need a red and a blue.
Alright guys, so I just finished bench. I'm like over the moon. I had my coach like watering in the eyes. I love it. But I just got a state record, so I'll kind of explain that to you guys in a little bit. It's a really small federation. They're just kind of like restarting, so pretty much the state records are open right now. So if I beat a state record, then I get a state record. So I actually did the same thing in squats, but the girl behind me I think actually overdid my state record. So all in all, I'm still hitting state records, and I have the state record for bench for my weight class. So super freaking excited. Now I kind of just wait for, we have 2 flights, so this is B flight. I wait for them to all go. Then we have a 20-minute, about 20 minutes to get in your pre-workout if you're gonna take anything. I'll get some keto brick, and then we'll do some warm-ups, and then we go back into deadlift. So it's 10:46. We started at 9, so this is going like super freaking fast. But I'm like on cloud 9 right now, so I'm ready to like go kill these deadlifts.
Loaded here for Crystal Sykes' state record attempt of 253.5 pounds. Come on, Crystal. There you go.
So we just finished the whole meet. Everything's done and over with. We got our awards and everything like that. I got second in my weight class. There was only 2 of us, but it was pretty competitive there for a bit. She had a heavier squat, I had a heavier bench, and then she had a heavier deadlift. So it was awesome, but it was cool to be kind of neck and neck with someone who's been doing it longer. I got first in the push-pull. There was 2 of us in that, so I got first in that, and then I got heaviest bench press. So that I beat all 4 out of all 4 girls. So super proud.
Super savage.
Rigel's wearing all the awards here. Yep. But just feeling like super on fire. I'm kind of frustrated at myself for some of the lifts I didn't get, but overall, like, amazing experience. Super happy we did this. I will be doing another one sometime because it was just like such a good experience. But I think that's it. We're gonna go home, eat some steak, enjoy the evening.